7 habits that can hurt your brain. Unfortunately, the majority of people ignore the 6th one. 1. Skipping breakfast. Start your day with a nutritious breakfast to fuel your brain for optimal function. Think of it as essential brain fuel. 2. Smoking. Quit smoking to improve your brain health. Smoking restricts blood flow, depriving your brain of oxygen and nutrients. 3. Multitasking. Focus on one task at a time for increased productivity and mental clarity. Multitasking hampers your brain's performance. 4. Working while you are sick. Rest when you're sick. Your brain needs time to heal, and ignoring this can impair cognitive function and prolong recovery. 5. Depriving oneself of proper sleep. Prioritize quality sleep to maintain cognitive abilities. Lack of sleep impairs memory, concentration, and overall brain function. 6. Guzzling too much food. Avoid overeating as it stresses your brain and body. Practice mindful eating and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. 7. Not staying hydrated enough. Stay hydrated throughout the day to prevent brain fog and fatigue. Pure water is the best choice for proper hydration. Embrace nourishing, restful, and hydrated habits to maximize mental clarity, productivity, and fulfillment. Small changes yield significant results for your brain's vitality. Drop a 100 if you read this far. This shows you are part